Recently, these stadium fan cam videos have been going viral all over social media. And you probably wouldn't believe it, but most of them are actually made with AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI stadium fan cam videos step by step. So, let's dive in. Before start, make sure you've installed HitPaw FotorPea, and the official link is in the description. Step 1. Prepare your photos. Ideally, prepare images from different angles for the best results. But with the method I'm using today, you can even work with just a single selfie, as long as your face is clear and high quality. Step 2. Prepare the image and video prompts. This step is extremely important. Open ChatGPT, go to the GPT section, and search for AI Stadium broadcast prompts. Make sure to select the one created by HitPaw. Now let's get started. You can choose from different sports and event styles provided inside the GPT, or even submit your own custom idea. Then, simply add some details like outfits, facial expressions, poses, camera mood. Or you can just keep everything on default. Based on your selections, the GPT will instantly generate both the image prompt and video prompt we need. Step 3. Generate the image and video. Next, open HitPaw FotorPea. I'll put the official download link in the video description below. You can also access it directly through the GPT. On the left side menu, find AI Generator, then click Image to Image. Now choose your AI model. I personally recommend Nano Banana 2 or GPT Image 2 medium quality. Paste the first prompt into the prompt box. Upload your photo and click Generate. And just like that, you'll get a realistic stadium broadcast live photo. Isn't that cool? Download and save the image. Now let's turn it into a video. Open HitPaw VikPea and click AI Video Generator. It offers multiple AI video models, but for this effect, we only need to create a 5-second clip. Honestly, most of the models work really well for this. Paste the second prompt. Upload the image we just generated, and make sure to set the output to 5 seconds. Then click Generate. And finally, you'll get a result like this. And that's how you can create your own viral AI stadium fan cam video in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what kind of AI videos you want to see next. Also, check out the links in the description to try these tools yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.